Bella raga, good morning. It's 9:20 a.m. I'm gonna go uni today again, and today's gonna be more focused on work because I have to finish the waitlist for my next project. And it's almost done. Yesterday I did some really good stuff. I used React email and Resent. Saw some videos, searched online how to set up everything. I bought the domain on Namecheap. I put it on Vercel. So I should have production link ready in the description, hopefully. But I think, yeah, I'm optimistic. Today it's gonna be a really deep dive into it. So yeah, yesterday I also finished the video. By yesterday I mean Wednesday, the 21st of May, because it took me too long than expected, to be honest. 30 minutes of videos. So yeah, it was a fun challenge. It was a fun first time. And today I'm gonna go to the gym, but it's gonna be more cardio and rest basically. So a bit of treadmill, this kind of stuff, a bit of push-ups, and yeah, let's have a great day. Ci vediamo dopo. So, left home, about to catch a train, and I'll see you there. It's 11 a.m. Right now I'm gonna go to the library, leave stuff there, coffee to start the day, and then publishing the latest video, day one. There's already on the channel, and then code. This is the second coffee. I was working on the website. I bought the cPanel for DNS records to pair up with the Namecheap and Vercel. So yeah, I'm gonna do some more code. I'm gonna show you what I did, and hopefully I can finish by today. I'm going a bit outside to take a bit of fresh air. I've had some problems with the setting up of the subdomain. I bought the cPanel, so that is set up, and I had other issues regarding the working subdomain, so I had to contact the assistants. Fortunately, I had an helpful assistant there. So everything is working. I'm gonna finish my form logic. So doing the email setup and also the Supabase setup. It's gonna be interesting because I'm new to Supabase, but it's never too late to learn. I'm gonna go back inside, finish working. Yeah, life is good. It's 3 o'clock. I'm about to eat rice with mice and tuna.
mais con, I think you say. Yeah, mais is Italian, sorry. I almost finished the logic of the waitlist. I need to implement Superbase for storing the emails. And yeah, let's enjoy the meal. It's a bit late, but I was working, so it's good. Yeah. The day here is over. I'm about to catch the train, then maybe finish the model, because I realize it's a bit too much to do colors, to animations. So I'm gonna keep it simple, but you know, good. And then going to the gym. Bye bye. I'm gonna go home, finish the model, change, have a quick cardio workout, and then finish the website with Superbase integration. Yeah, I'm home. It's so hot. I'm kinda late to the gym because I had some problems with the audio for TikTok, Instagram and Shorts. It's a bit of a mess. 3 different videos, 3 different audios. I need to get used to it. Surely I'm not, but with practice I'll become the master of editing. Yeah, it looks ugly, I know, but I decided to change the schema a bit, the design overall. This is more simple in tone with the website. I'm gonna put the link on the X and the YouTube and finish the done button instead of the X. Finishing this little banner here, and yeah, this is the code, and I'll let you see the final product soon. So this is the almost final result. I'm indecised between this one with the text check your inbox or this one. So just the email, the open email, and this should be the final card. So done as the subtle animation of the over here, and this one too. So yeah, let me know what you think. Okay guys, I think I finished. I have to do Superbase integration tomorrow. Right now I'm trying to fix something on my X account because I want to change the username and it's giving me problems. I don't know why. I'm gonna spend some time fixing this, and we'll see you in the next video. Ciao.